and welcome. It's Jilly Cube and I'm here on the Sunshine Coast in Queensland, Australia. Except it's not sunny. It's peeing down with rain. It's raining. But anyway, every day's a good day. You've got to keep saying it and believing it, and it will be. Rightio. I am really excited about this because it is a lovely gallery wrapped canvas, 40 by 50. I do have a beautiful pine frame because I bought it already with a frame with it, which I will show you hopefully at the end when it's all dried and in its frame. And so I'm excited to do this because, again, I'm doing this for my son who loves his blues, golds and kind of orangey tones, which I'm going to use instead of orange. I'm going to use the metallic copper. So there is quite a few metallic colours in this particular piece, and he wanted it a certain way. So, you know, whatever the boy wants, well, he gets within reason. It's for his home, so I think he's actually going to put this piece in his loo. So at least it'll be a nice viewing while you're sitting there, hopefully. So just spreading this with my sponge brush this time, and I will move on to the colours now. I'm going to start off, this is antique gold. My colours are all global colours. So this one is, I pre-made them up and put them in any spare containers that I have that have been used up. So they're all made with my pouring medium that is in the drop-down box underneath this video in information. So that was the metallic antique gold, and this is metallic copper. So this is going to create a really beautiful sheeny, shiny effect or glistening effect in my finished work. That one is my custom colour, and it's 50% gold, 50% silver, and I call it champagne gold. I think I'll have to get onto global to actually produce that colour because it is U-Beaut super duper, and you can basically add it to anything. This is the turquoise. It's a lovely, lovely turquoise too, that one. So I'm putting that in there because they're the colours that my son wants. And I really hope that I can create something light, dreamy and kind of romantic-y looking in this one. Now I'm going there's a bit splodged out. There's just white in there, so hopefully. This particular composition I have done before, and it always turns out lovely. So if you haven't given it a go, give it a go. Give it a go, Joe. I'm just going back over with a little bit of my navy because that's what my base coat colour was, just navy. So it's, again, same acrylic paint with pouring medium. And I'm fiddling about with something. I have no idea what am I doing, Jilly. Just randomly wanted to show you my lizard. That was I've got lizards living in my art studio where I work on the walls. They eat the mozzies and everything, and I just love them. And so if ever I see any lizards in the gift shop or anything, I have to buy them. Of course you do. I have to put all of my lizards out one day. You'll be surprised. I have lots. So I have real life ones and ones I collect. Rambling on there about my lizard while I'm getting my little mini blow dryer and doing my thing, and I absolutely love this one. It just worked on the day, you know, you just love something and it works for you, and I really love this one. So I'm not sure whether Joel's gonna get it. No, he will. So it's just blowing it out with that mini blow dryer that I get so many requests. Where'd you get it from? What brand is it? I got this particular one from a charity shop, and it's just going and going. You can get them online. They're called Baby Bayliss travel dryers, foldable travel dryers. So I'm told it's just not the same colour anymore. So they're on Amazon I do have a few dryers in my link, Amazon link, in the description box below this particular video. So there you go. Thumbs up, Julie. I love it, and I really hope you do too. But of course, I've got to Julify it. This was hilarious, really, because I'd tried 2 balloons. This one I'd got, and it was going down before my eyes. It was just literally deflating. I showed you there a gorgeous balloon kiss, which you could definitely transfer onto another canvas or to cardstock to make your own gift cards, which I will do on another day. But you could certainly do that. But look at how I'm becoming deflated. The balloon is getting smaller and smaller. I'm like thinking, oh, geez, Louise, look, it's gone. It's gone. I'm deflated. Oh dear. But not with the piece. I love the piece. And the balloon's getting, look, a little tiny, teeny balloon, but just work with it. So what, I'll just grab my balloon that I put a little bit of water in, adds a little bit of weight to the balloon. That one's fine. That one's not deflated. That one's all good to go. So I'm just adding my little embellishments. And of course, you know, you could absolutely leave it as the chaos blow, Dutch pour, whatever you want to do. That's up to you. You don't have to do these. This is my personal signature thing, and it's what I love to do, and they always sell well for me. So you have to do what works well for you, and to me this really adds, you know, part of me to it, and it definitely pretties it up, I believe, even further. So you can kiss and roll till your heart's content, just as I did. I want to thank you so much for joining me, my lovelies. I will come down and show you some, no, actually, I won't bring the camera down. I'll show you the lovely end results in the photos. And hopefully I have got it in its lovely canvas by the time you see it at the end.